Well, like we said, we're here in REM, and we actually, with the vice president, and from the committee too, we got Miriam Herrera, right? And Rosa Garzon. God, I remember names. So many women, it's too hard to remember everyone. Well, she's a vice president. I will ask her, what the attitude I have to have a vice president in REM? The attitude.
Be happy. Yes.
It's a hard work. It's very hard work in REM to be a vice president. It's a hard job.
Yes, but it's very gratificante. Es muy gratificante trabajar para otras mujeres.
For pleasure, we say it's a pleasure of working for other women.
Okay.
But what is this? I'm going to ask her to explain. Okay, Rosa.
Okay, hello. Hello to everybody. Well, this is our first award that we recognize the work or the attitude that our associate has. It has been very interesting and very empowered to recognize the different aspect that a woman has to have to at the moment to lead. So this is our first award. It has been designed especially from an associate that we had, and it's very, very symbolic because obviously, exactly, first of all, it's cubic, so it means that we are here, you know, we have to have our feet on the ground, so it's a cubic. Then it has obviously the name of REN, which means Red de Emprendedoras de Marbella, which means it's a net of women who has start business or already are professionals, already are has a company. Then the M is it's in order to represent Marbella and Costa del Sol, but also to represent women, because M is the first letter of woman in Spanish, mujer.
So actually, what is REM? We're here because it's Campo Gibraltar, at the same time Marbella getting together. That's really nice.
Exactly, yeah. And also we belong to a bigger organization, which is BPW, and this is the most ancient professional women's organization in the world. It has 86 years, and it wants to empower women to really make a difference in the big decision in the world, because women we have been always working hard, but never recognized. And even now that we have advanced a lot, we have to lead the house, the family, the work, the company, and what about the world? Because we believe that if women will have more if we will have more influence in the big decision, the world would be better than we have now.
That's a strong word, but what we can say, women's power.
Well, we are 51% of population, so also I want to really animar. I want to say to every woman, I want to say to every woman that we together will really make a difference, that we together helping each other, because this is what is REM. REM is a net of women we have been helping us with our work and with our companies in difficult times.
Yes.
Because now we are going to be we're 7 years, and then we were born exactly at the beginning of the crisis. And that's why we were born, exactly, to help to really
promote
and go and try to help each other in those moments which has been very difficult.
That's great. So it's the same thing as I would say for women that have business or starting business. It's very good to participate in REM, because they help you to find out. You can ask them, do you know somebody? Do you know this? How can we do it? And like we said, together we make the force.
Absolutely, absolutely. When women really get each other, we really make things happen. In the last Congress we've been in Valencia just a couple of months ago, there was two sentences I really want to really give to everybody. One is that it was from a very, very relevant woman. She said, there is a special place in hell for women who doesn't help women. That is one, and I like it. And the second one is from a catedrátic of economics in Valencia, and it says, the best way to predict the future is to be the protagonist. I don't know if protagonist is the right word in English, but I didn't prepare. I mean, it is to be the main character, the main character in the play of the world. So that's what we want to say. We have to be the main character in this big theater and this film, which is life.
It's true. If we're not, like we say, first we come as a child. We're born on our mamas. I would say. Then second, what we start being adults, starting in school. And third, we start to be a mother. And a mother does a lot. If a mother can do so many things with children, husband, and work, that's one of the things we need, because it's a way of, exploring more and helps you at the same time to develop more yourself. Because women and men, I don't discriminate men, we all can do good. And that's what. And the only way is to do it united. It's true. So we have here Rem from Marbella. We have to say thank you very much, Rosa, and thank you very much. Even though Miriam didn't want to say so much because she's kind of shy, but thank you very much to do such a marvelous, marvelous job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, like you see, I'm gonna come here and bump into all the girls from REM here. Hi, hello.
Hello, Emma.
She knows me very well. Rosa, exactly what is your purpose and your place here in REM right now?
And do you mind if I speak Spanish?
No problem, I translate, but you understand English, huh?
Okay, Emma.
Tell me exactly, ¿cuál es el propósito exactamente en REM que tú encuentras ya estando tanto tiempo con ellos? ¿Has encontrado una vía de negocio, trabajo?
Sí, mi propósito es unir sinergia y conocer nuevas empresarias del campo de Gibraltar, puesto que mi negocio es exclusivo para el campo de Gibraltar, entonces yo necesito conocer empresarias de la zona y es una manera muy divertida de conocerlas si quedas para desayunar, para merendar.
Como lo que ha pasado hoy, ¿no?
Efectivamente, una manera muy divertida.
Eso es lo bueno. What she's saying exactly is the synergy that they're using here in REM is one of the most important to meet everybody who has a business, a job, of an entrepreneur, of starting a new job. And that's what it's one of the things is very important. This get together of women who really are looking forward to do business. Let's say that word, business. But doing it in a nice way and a happy way. That's great, huh? And your name is?
Virginia.
And exactly what you do. ¿Qué exactamente haces? ¿Qué trabajo tienes?
Yo tengo una empresa de nutrición deportiva y ropa deportiva aquí en la línea de la Concepción.
Oh, she's a nutritionist and at the same time she has sport clothes. Oh, that's great. And do you see that REM helps a lot to get together and giving information? ¿Ayuda a REM a todo el tema de las mujeres emprendedoras de negocio?
Primera vez que viene, ¿no?
Oh!
Es mi primera toma de
Ella es
contacto.
una invitada. Eso.
Sí, es mi primera toma de contacto con ella y aquí estoy conociéndola a todas.
Ah, so it's the first time she come here. That's good. I like that. I'm gonna come. Like I said, I just bump you out to find out what's going around here. So great. What do you think about it? Por ahora que vas teniendo opinión.
Pues que estoy esperando que me digan qué tengo que hacer para asociarme con ellas también.
That's really nice.
Sí, mucho. Sí.
Well, we hope you do very good. And guess what? You're gonna have a lovely time and find a lot of things very interesting here. Te va a gustar. Ya verá que sí. And next of you here how many years? Oh.
No, 1 year more or less.
So what do you think about it?
Well, that's. I think this is the best for women. Yes, for companies, little companies, and because sometimes you need to have to do things, or do you know how or when or what? And I think this is the best. And you feel that you are with people. You are not alone.
Sorry, and what's the type of business you have?
Sorry? Well, I'm a personal counselor.
She's a personal counselor. I'm getting away from you. No, it's a joke, but that's very good, and has to be a hard job indeed. But well, I wish you the best here in REM, honestly, and we're gonna see each other. Ya nos veremos más a menudo.
Yes, of course. Well, I hope take a tea or coffee, but not in my in my house or in my company. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And what exactly you do, my lady? And I see you waiting. You bring another guest here to REM, no?
Bringing a baby. My name is Nuria. I'm architect. Yes, I'm architect.
That's dangerous.
It is these days, yes, especially these days.
How long you been here in REM?
Well, 3 months maximum. Yes, I knew about it last summer, and I was impressed because I came to one of the events, like that, and I liked very much to share, to think with other women, and I love that.
It's a beautiful day too. At the same time.
Yes, and all of them are very, very warm and kind.
You'll help each other.
Yes. Yes. This is something that everybody has in the mind, to try to help to the others. Yeah, we are here to make a team.
That's the right word, to make a team. That's good. And you are?
I'm Cristina. I'm tax advisor. I have my business in Palmones, near to Hospital Quirón, and I'm in the association from October 2015. And I'm really happy to be here because I think it's very interesting to have some women with your same situation, and you can obtain and require help from them, and you can obtain some clients to your business, which is really very, very interesting.
I'm very glad to wish you the best, and I belong to REM at the same time, and I know it's very good, and I hear a lot of good things, so we have to encourage all women who has a business, starting a business, or working something they like, to join you all to find out more things. It's true. Well, thank you very much. You're welcome. Well, like we're still here in REM, in Chiringuito Blanco, Fona Caidesa, a lovely breakfast. I recommend it very much. If you want to escape from anything you want to a bad day or lovely day you want to have, come here to Chiringuito Blanco because it's fantastic in Caidesa. But now I have here somebody very special because she is from La Línea?
No, from Los Barrios.
I like to pick on everybody. Every time I say La Línea, no, Los Barrios. No, Alcina. I don't find nobody yet from La Línea. Gosh.
I'm from the Campo de Gibraltar.
That's the word, exactly, Campo de Gibraltar. But something very important is she's one of the first ones to start the APP for Campo de Gibraltar. And what exactly is your product that you have to give to the people?
En Spanish, please. Es una app de móvil, una aplicación de móvil donde tienes toda la información que cualquier usuario que viva aquí en la comarca o que venga de fuera pueda necesitar. Desde leer los periódicos, por ejemplo, puedes leer el periódico Al Sol de la Costa, te metes en noticias y lees el periódico desde la aplicación, puedes encontrar una guía comercial de negocio, como son los negocios de las empresarias de REN o de cualquier negocio que quiera aparecer, una guía comercial, ofertas de empleo, un calendario de eventos. Todos los ayuntamientos tienen convenios, nos van pasando los eventos para que tú digas qué hay. Hoy miras en el Campo Gibraltar, el tiempo, tienes toda la información y está en 8 idiomas.
That's what I'm going to ask you. It's in eight languages. It's the main. It's an APP. It's exactly for mobile. It's an application for mobile where you can find all the information of Campo de Gibraltar. And the name is Campo de Gibraltar?
Guía Campo de Gibraltar.
It's called Guía, G-U-I-A, Campo de Gibraltar. You just go in on the Google Play, in the Google land, like I said, the Google land, and you find that information exactly. You download it to your mobile, also your internet. I think so even for the PC you can do that, for the computer. You can download at the same time. And you can find all information. But if you have a business, you want to announce something, where they can reach you, dónde te pueden localizar si quieren anunciarse o ponerse en contacto contigo o participar con la app.
En la misma aplicación hay un apartado que pone contacto comercial, pinchas y ahí te sale mi teléfono y puedes contactar con nosotros, o bien puedes poner un mail a rosaoliva@guiacampodegibraltar.com y te respondemos.
So exactly, if you go to the app, you see contact, you just click there and you find all the information, you just send her all the information on not the email, Rosa Oliva, what was the last? Oliva, arroba, guiacampodegibraltar.com. So,
Tenemos una página de Facebook de la Guía Campo de Gibraltar, de la app, donde también puedes contactar por mensaje privado por el Facebook.
that's fantastic. Even you can find it on Facebook, Guía Campo de Gibraltar. So don't forget, if you need any information about Campo de Gibraltar is from, let's say, from Guadiaro to
Tu Tarifa.
So you can find all information. So don't forget that APP, the yes, we talk about it. You can find the best information of Campo de Gibraltar. Thank you, Rosa.
Thank you, Emma.